Psalm 46:10 tells us to be still and know. But let's be honest, being still can sometimes seem impossible in our fast-paced world today with our to-do lists a mile long. But what if being still wasn't something you do, but something you receive? I'm Susan VanMeakins, and today we're going to spend the next 10 minutes or so to explore a simple 4-count breath. You don't need any special equipment or even yoga clothes. Just get something comfy. And we're going to combine this 4-count breath with some gentle movements to finally let the weight of the world go and find our rest in Him. Before we begin, I want to be sure that you can take this piece with you after the video ends. So I've created a Lord's Prayer Flow PDF that guides you through this exact same type of moving prayer. It includes both mat and chair versions. So you can download that for free at the link in the description of this video. So now, just find a comfortable seat, whether you're on your mat or in a chair. Sit up nice and tall with your shoulders back, and let's arrive. We'll begin with an equal 4-part breath. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you breathe, imagine you are inhaling God's peace and exhaling the noise of the world. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just keep that going. And we'll add in some gentle movements, starting with some neck rolls. So inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Reverse direction. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. Exhale. One more round. Inhale. And exhale. Now we'll take it into a side stretch, continuing with the gentle breaths. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Reach as you come back down, 2, 3, 4. Other side. Inhale. Hold. And come back down. Cat-cow for the spine. You can do that from all fours or from seated. I'll just turn to the side so you can see a little better what I'm doing. Inhale nice and tall. Exhale as you round your spine. Inhale, heart comes up and forward. Exhale, back to cat pose. Inhale. Exhale. One more like that. And come back to a seat. We'll do a twist to each side. If you are on your hands and knees, you can come to your back. If you're seated, you're just going to sit nice and tall again and inhale. And exhale as you twist. Or bring your knees down to one side if you're on your mat, turning your head in the opposite direction of your knees. Keep breathing. One more round here. Inhale. Exhale. Come back to the front and twist to the other side. Inhale tall to start. Exhale as you twist or drop your knees in the opposite direction. Stay here for a round. Inhale. Exhale. And slowly come back to the front. Now we'll practice a variation called box breath, which adds a pause after the inhalation and the exhalation. Just sit tall again in a comfortable position. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause and hold. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause and hold. One more round. Inhale. Pause. Exhale. Pause. Now return to your normal breath, and we'll end this short practice in my favorite posture, child's pose. If you're sitting in a chair, hinge forward with a straight spine and rest your elbows on top of your knees. You can press your hands together, looking slightly down, or you can bring your fingertips up and rest your forehead on your fingertips. If on the mat, come to your hands and knees. Widen your knees to the edges of your mat and sink your hips back towards your heels. Let your toes come to touch. Stretch forward and bring your forehead all the way down to the mat if possible. If that's not comfortable for you, you can always pad your forehead on a yoga block or a rolled up towel. You can keep your hips up a little higher. Just make it work for you. Whichever variation you choose, relax, breathe deeply as you listen to Psalm 46, verses 1 to 3 and 8 to 11. God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. Therefore, we will not fear, though the earth give way and the mountains fall into the heart of the sea, though its waters roar and foam and the mountains quake with their surging. Come and see what the Lord has done, the desolations he has brought on the earth. He makes wars cease to the ends of the earth. He breaks the bow and shatters the spear. He burns the shields with fire. He says, "Be still and know that I am God. I will be exalted among the nations. I will be exalted in the earth. The Lord Almighty is with us. The God of Jacob is our fortress. So how does your heart feel now compared to 10 minutes ago? This stage is the foundation of everything we do. Don't forget to grab your Lord's Prayer flow below, and I'd love to hear in the comments if this combination of gentle movements and breath practice helped you to relax and be still for a few moments. And here's a similar but slightly longer practice that you may want to try next time. It can also be done from a mat or a chair. Peace be with you, and I'll see you again soon.